Hey guys, on this video I am going to show you how to enable caption on X while watching a video. So open X and let's assume any video. Let's click on this one. Now to enable your caption, pay attention to the top right hand area, click on that. Now you're going to notice where it says caption. So click on it to turn it on. Now when you click on this, it automatically turns on the caption. So to confirm again, let's click on the drop down area, three dotted icon, and you can see it's already turned on. Now, if you are watching the video, you are going to see the caption. But another thing you should also pay attention on is that there might be description covering the caption. So all you need to do is to click on the video just once, click on it, and then the video will the description and the title will disappear and you'll be able to watch the video in full. So click on it again, play the video, and then you can watch with the caption. So you can see clearly the caption displays properly, and this guys is what I want to show you on this video. If you have any question, leave it on the comment section. See you on the next one. Peace.